How to upload pictures in WhatsApp without losing its quality. So, uploading picture in WhatsApp without losing quality is quite easy and simple. Simply you have to open WhatsApp. Make sure the WhatsApp application has been updated from any Play Store or App Store depending upon your mobile device. And then you have to tap on updates at the bottom of the screen which is next to chats. Once you're on this updates section, then at the top you will see my status. Simply tap on it in order to add a status update. You can simply capture video or photo, or else you can also tap on the picture icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and upload from your gallery itself. So let's tap on our gallery and upload a photo. Once the pictures appear, you can simply tap on the crop icon at the top of the screen, which is next to sticker icon, and crop the unnecessary parts. So, cropping the unnecessary part will save your data and the picture will look more clearer. So, let's crop it. So, once you crop it and make the picture more clearer, tap on Done button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you have done that, you can also swipe up for filters. You can add stickers, text, and many more and customize this picture as well. So let's tap on the aeroplane icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you have done that, your status has been uploaded and this won't lose any kind of quality as well because the picture is more clearer as well as we have cropped the unnecessary part. This will not lose any quality and it will be uploaded on high quality. So in this way, you can upload WhatsApp status without losing quality. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial updates.